Hello. Everybody get to the curry.
You're going to cause this, don't you? I know it's empty, but that's not the point. It might not have
Hello.
been. Hello.
You can't have this, mister. It's not a toy. Well, it says it's for you. You got a water blaster to blast him. Right. Will you stop speaking? You got Laura and Hardy then? We don't know which one.
Haven't
Right.
actually spoken yet.
We got something new.
Dog a biscuit.
You got dog a bone. Yeah. Just seen them over the shop. So we thought we'd try them. Doritos Stax, which is I think their version of Pringles now. Eh? Mexican chili salsa, flaming chicken wings, and they also do a cheesy one, some extra cheese or really strong cheese flavour, and I believe a sour cream as well. There's 4 or 5 different ones, but obviously we're spicy and easy, so we're doing the spicy ones.
Let's get in then.
So we're going to see what they're like. Cheers.
I can't, I've got
Coffee.
coffee. It is the middle of the day.
You have to have beer and snacks.
Oh, that's quite good. Look, you just push that up and then it's sealed again inside.
I don't know, how do you get in it? No.
Push it.
Push it real good. See with that?
You salt and pepper?
Yeah.
But mine's Mexican chili salsa.
And mine's flaming chicken wings. Right, we'll do yours first.
Yeah, as soon as I'm already in.
So these are Mexican chili salsa.
Yeah. Oh,
Now they're sort of in between a normal Dorito and a Pringle, because they're a bit thinner.
I think they're just thin Doritos. Definitely taste the salsa.
Yeah, you can. And I'm tasting the corn, and the corn chips more than normal Doritos.
I think that's because it's not loaded in flavouring. It's got enough on for you to taste it.
There's still the flavour in there, look. Nice little thing to keep them in, I know. Once you flip, you can't tip. It's your new logo. No slogan, Doritos. Because you can't pop, that's already been took.
No, they're nice.
Right. When it says Mexican chili salsa, the chili tastes there, but it's not hot, and it doesn't say it's hot. So
Oh, no, it's not spicy.
it's like a mild chili, and I'm getting that salsa flavour.
I think that it's made with paprika extract, the chili. It does say red chili pepper powder, but right down the bottom. So it's only a tiny amount. But the salsa flavour's really there.
If
It's nice.
you're looking for snacks with beer,
Oh, yeah.
and you're not after red hot stuff, I think taste-wise I actually prefer them than the Doritos chili heatwave ones.
They can be a bit
Even though
claggier.
they've got a load of flavouring on, these have got just enough that you can taste the chili, which is not hot, so don't panic, there's no heat to it. You can taste the chili, and it's got that salsa taste to it as well.
It's nice.
Nice flavour, that is. So that one, getting a thumbs up. They're nice.
Definitely. Unusual.
I might forget tonight's live stream and sit in there and pick these and drink. So.
A lot more flavouring on this one. This is flaming chicken wings.
Yeah, there is.
And again, it's got a lot of taste.
There's
And
more flavour.
And it is flaming chicken wings I can taste.
A lot more flavour on them.
Not spicy again, just flavoursome. No chilli in this whatsoever.
That is straight away chicken taste.
Yeah.
As soon as it goes in, chicken.
Pulled a winner out on both of those.
Not flaming. I wanted to put the flaming on because I associate flaming like with Doritos flaming chili cheese, which were quite spicy. I say hot, but not over hot. But these are not that flaming.
I think it's called flaming because it tastes like
Like
it's
a
been
barbecue.
cooked on a barbecue.
Yeah, it's not flaming hot. It's flaming. So
And it's not barbecue flavoured chicken wings.
loads of flavour on them compared to them ones. Look.
Char grilled maybe. Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got the one with the most on.
Don't get me gun.
I'll make my hair up.
Thought you'd already done that.
They're good. Yeah, again, thumbs up.
No, they're my favourite, the flaming chicken wings one. Loads of chicken flavour.
I can't believe the description is so spot on with the flavour. Normally they're a bit wishy-washy, aren't they? But it's not.
Both of them, thumbs up.
Yeah, definitely. Go on. Where's the other label? There you go, in the middle.
Thumbnail. You know what we're doing now. You put it the wrong way round.
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't. So, done. We're probably not going to do the other flavours because they're not spice related. One was cheese and I forget it was a green box, so I imagine sour cream and chive, something like that.
Won't mind trying the cheese one. Cheese
What?
are my favourite crisps.
Yeah, we'll get some, but we won't do a review.
No.
For saying the thing, I prefer the texture over normal Doritos.
A lot of flavour.
They're not smothered like your bags of Dorito chili ones, but the flavour's there. That chicken one's got loads of flavour on it.
I thought the same with the salsa. As soon as you take a bite, you could taste
Yeah, and
it.
the salsa one. Yeah, straight away.
Yeah.
Like salsa taste.
Yeah. Well,
Both of them are nice.
salsa flavour.
Yeah, but normally they say that and it don't.
Yeah, it's just a hint of flavour, isn't it? But no, it's full on flavour there. Very good.
I prefer them to Pringles.
How much were they? Or would it be
$1.50
all the same?
each.
$1.50. Is that on offer or
No,
introductory or
it's
just
because they're
standard?
new, so they've gone straight in and
Yeah.
brand new. And I only spotted it because I was queuing waiting to get to the checkout.
Oh yes, you have to go all the
You
way
have to
through.
go around the crisp aisle now in
That's fatal
Tesco.
because I always end up coming out with crisps.
And I thought, oh, it's good with nothing to review. Oh, what are they? That's it. Done. Recommended, both of them. Go and try it on 150. Get your beer. Because you're used to thumbing lifts. And your thumb's stuck that way.
No, never. I'd rather walk.
So, we're done.
Uh-oh, Zeus is going to get it now.
We'll see you later.
See you later.
We'll be back.